Hello, Arcmatter here, and it's day 3 of Neko Astume kitties. Okay, go ahead. We'll start playing some more. See if we got some cats today. Whoop, flip it around. And meow loading. We'll see if we got some cats today. Checking the cat book, blah blah blah. Oh, we had some gifts. Apparently we had a visitor. Yep, accept all. Accept all. Alright. Check the cat book, see what cats we had. Snowball. Pumpkin. Where we had Pumpkin? Already had Tabitha. Apparently. Oh! Coco! Let's see what Coco's doing. Okay, so power level, nothing yet. Personality, brown tuxedo. Coco the cat. So, close that. I'm sorry, today still no cats. Let's go give the cat some food. Okay. I don't have that much money, so I can't buy any cats. Let's go. Let's go to the yard. Okay, so I'm sorry, no, the cats must have been here, because you're supposed to check the game about every 10 minutes or something like that to see if you got cats. The cats were here, because I got a new one. And fill it up again. There's some more food. And I still only got 7 bits of money left. I guess that's it. Day 3. I'm sorry. Yeah, you're supposed to check in about every few minutes, and then you'll have a cat. You can see them. I've seen my daughters play it, and I've seen the cats, but I don't check in constantly because I'm trying to do this on a daily basis, not every couple minutes. So, let's go to the menu. Do. Get to the yard. We'll go home. Okay, and we'll start it back up here in a minute. No. Close. Hang on. Okay. Here we go. Back to the game. See if we have cats now. No. Still no cats. I'm just not having any luck. To show you the cats. Except for the first day when I started it up, I had a cat. Visiting me, please, kitties. Believe me, I've had cats. I've seen them. Well, anyhow, this is day 3. I'm sorry. I've put some more food in the bowl, and I'm sorry, still no cats. Oh, this is really going to get a lot of views. So please like, please subscribe, and that's Kitty. Make sure you check it out on the Play Store. It's free. It's, like I said, one of the most slowest games you could play. It is kind of comforting, but I'll try it one more time before we go. We'll try to see if we can get the cats to come one more time. Okay. Nope, still no cats. Alright, we'll check back tomorrow and see if we have some cats. Maybe I'll try earlier in the day. So please like, please subscribe. Remember, I have a support button, and we'll check on everything again tomorrow.